Well, the district's transportation maintenance department got a nice holiday gift this year, but this gift really wasn't a surprise because, well, they get this award every year. It's the Blue Seal of Excellence Recognition Program, established by the National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence. And to see how successful our transportation maintenance department is in achieving this elite status, well, the writing is all over the wall.
Well, the ASE Blue Seal of Excellence Award is awarded to my staff that has over 75% ASE Master Certification.
Year after year, a high percentage of transportation maintenance techs within our district earn the ASE Seal Patch. It signifies a constant effort to always keep learning in this ever-changing field of large vehicle maintenance.
Yeah, we have to sign them up. We send them down to Nashville to a testing center, and they take the test, and it's college-bound testing. It's some good testing, to get the test. But we send them down there. They get passed. We bring them back in, and like I said, once we get the 75%, that's when we get into the ASE Blue Seal Award, which is just, I think is an awesome program to showcase what they've been able to do by all getting the ASE certification.
Longtime district fleet manager Shane Cook is proud of this distinction. It's their 9th straight year to earn it, and it's not something that everyone gets.
We're very proud of the award. Nobody in a 250-mile radius has this award. So no other districts or anything like that. So we feel that's an achievement.
That speaks directly to the kind of crew that cares for our buses, transporting thousands of students each day. With over 180 buses in active service, they all need some TLC from time to time. Each service or repair is handled very carefully. Some jobs are minor, others not so much.
We also put a tensioner on it, water pump, fan belt, a thermostat, but you got to pull the rig.
Sounds like my last visit to a dealership.
That costs you $8,000 now.
Yeah. Transportation technician Howard Stallings has been with the district for over 7 years. He admits that he's likely touched every bus in the Wilson County Schools fleet at some point or another.
I think so. Every mechanic in here has, to tell you the truth.
While the ASE Blue Seal Award is always a great achievement, Shane says that his department is like one of our many schools and classrooms. They never stop learning. Safety and care for these buses depends on it, especially with technology changing over the years. That's where the ASE training and certification really pays off.
It changes daily. It changes daily from electronics just down to the nuts and bolts. We learn something new every day. But in today's world, it's more about electronics and electricity and all that. So I advise anybody, any students out there looking to come into this to the future, sharpen your electricity skills because you're going to need it.
These mechanics and techs take great pride in their work each day. But above all, they want to make sure that drivers and students always have a road-safe and mechanically reliable bus to use. That's the mindset each day as buses come in and out for service and inspections.
That's our job, to make sure these buses run down the road safely, absolutely. Because if they're not safe, that comes back on us.
I'm sure you think about that as well.
Exactly right. Constant. Safety, job one, always has been.
Speaking of inspections, Wilson County Schools recently ranked among the best in the Mid-State for inspection pass rates conducted by the Tennessee Highway Patrol. If you're a bus riding family, all of this is a good dose of peace of mind. I'm Bart Barker with Wilson County Schools.